Are you still buying shawarma bread or pita bread from store? This is the one I bought from store. You can see how it is. So if you fold it, you notice that it's breaking. So see the one I made at home myself. You see, I folded it and it's still looking very fresh. I even wrap it with my shawarma. So I use it to wrap my shawarma. You see how it's looking. So let me show you how I made it. So go in with your water, your yeast, your sugar, your vegetable oil. You're just going to give that a stir. Add in your flour. I'm going to drop all the measurements in the I'm going to drop all the measurements in the comment section or the description box. So after mixing it with your spatula, you're just going to transfer that to your work surface and you're going to knead it for about 10 minutes. 5 to 10 minutes is okay. So you are going to sprinkle your flour on your work surface or your table so that your dough will not stick to your table. And you're just going to knead that for about 5 to 10 minutes. After kneading it, you're just going to cut it into ball shape, like cut it into sizes. Then once you are done cutting it into sizes, you're just going to roll that, make it flat. So just follow what I'm doing, you will understand what I'm doing. You're just going to make it flat. So once it is flat, what you will just do is to cut out the excess from it, from that edge. So just to give it that round look or that round shape. Once you are done, you're just going to heat up your non-stick pan. Note that we are using a non-stick pan for this so that it doesn't stick to your pan. So you're just going to spread that on your non-stick pan. Then you are going to heat it up. So once you start noticing bubbles coming out from it, you know that that side that you place on the pan is ready. Then you are going to flip it over to the other side till you start seeing that bubble coming out from it. So you see how it is. You can fold it, you can even squeeze it. You notice that it will not break. Just look at it. So that's it for how to make your shawarma bread at home. Thank you for watching this video. I'm going to see you in my next video.